In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to open TradingView from Google, load the gold versus US dollar chart, and customize its colors so your chart is easier to read at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. On the results page, look for the official link that reads TradingView, Track All Markets. Click that. If you see ads or lookalike links, double-check the URL to make sure you're going to the real site before you proceed. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, locate the search feature at the top. Click into it and type gold versus US dollar, or the symbol XAUUSD. You should see a result labeled gold versus US dollar. Click that to open the chart. If multiple listings appear from different data providers, any standard XAUUSD chart will work for this demonstration. The time frame you're on won't affect the color settings, so don't worry about changing it right now. With the chart open, move your cursor over the chart area and right-click anywhere to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the chart's main preferences panel. If you're on a device where right-click works differently, ensure you're triggering the browser or platform's equivalent right-click. The goal is simply to bring up the chart's options so you can access settings. Inside the Settings window, select the Symbol tab. This section controls how your primary chart series looks: candles, bars, lines, and their associated colors. It's where you can adjust the visual style to suit your preferences or improve visibility. Now, change the color settings to what you prefer. For candlestick charts, that usually means picking colors for up candles and down candles, and sometimes the borders and wicks as well. Choose a combination that gives you strong contrast against your background. For example, a dark background pairs well with bright greens and reds, while a light background benefits from deeper, more saturated shades. As you pick colors, keep an eye on the preview so you can see exactly how your adjustments will look on the chart. When you're happy with your choices, click OK to apply the changes. Your chart will immediately update with the new colors. If something doesn't look right, you can always reopen settings and fine-tune your selections. That's it. You searched for TradingView on Google, opened the gold versus US dollar chart, accessed settings via a right-click, navigated to the Symbol tab, changed the colors, and confirmed the update with OK. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.